In this video, I am going to discuss about anemia. What is anemia? In last video, we have discussed about the definition and the symptoms of the anemia. In this video, we will discuss about the types of anemia. Anemia is found 6 types. First one is the deficiency anemia. Second is the aplastic anemia. Third one is the hemolytic anemia. Fourth, hemorrhage anemia. Fifth, secondary anemia. Sixth, pernicious anemia. First one is the deficiency anemia. Deficiency anemia is found due to the malnutrition. This anemic condition found due to malnutrition. When we have deficiency in our food like vitamins and minerals, irons, then it will cause the deficiency anemia due to deficiency of nutrients in the food. And second is the aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia is happen due to the suppression and depression of bone marrow, because bone marrow is help in the production of the RBCs. If bone marrow get depressed, it is not capable to produce RBCs, then it will cause aplastic anemia, because the HP content found in the RBCs, if RBC is not produced by the bone marrow, it can cause the aplastic anemia. Third one is the hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia is the condition due to rupture of the RBCs. When in blood RBCs get found ruptured, it can cause the hemolytic anemia, because when RBCs get ruptured, the HP content of RBCs get out from the RBCs and cause the hemolytic anemia. Fourth one is the hemorrhage anemia. Hemorrhage anemia is due to bleeding and heavy blood loss. It can be due to wrong blood transfusion and due to some accidental condition, due to some less value of the platelet. Next one is the secondary anemia. This anemia can happen due to hormonal deficiency. In our body, because some hormones are help in the production of the hemoglobin in blood, but in that condition hormones are not working properly, then it can cause the secondary anemia. Next one is the pernicious anemia. It is related to the gastrin. Gastrin is an organ that help in the absorption of the vitamin B12. But if gastrin is not working properly, it not able to absorb the vitamin B12, then it can cause the pernicious anemia. These all are the terms related to the anemia, 6 types of anemia.